what's up? For today's video, I'm gonna be talking about something that I've done more than my fair share of, and that is online shopping. So it's obviously a really relevant topic because going to stores just isn't that safe anymore, and also when you're like sitting at home, it can be really tempting to go through online websites and add stuff to your cart. I'm guilty of it myself, but I know a lot of people are still kind of skeptical about it and have some doubts. I always get questions from like my friends, my mom's friends, even you guys, and there are a lot of things that I feel like people are unsure about. So I just wanted to make a little video to clear it all up, just like lay down everything I know about online shopping. I have always preferred online shopping. I'm gonna get into why later, but I've been doing it for a while, so I've learned a few things, some do's and some don'ts. So in this video, I'm just gonna cover everything from customs to size, quality, where to shop from, all of that good stuff. So if you want to if you want to see that, be sure to stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe down below if you want to see more of me, and let's get into it. So if you've been following my channel, you would know I've always kind of preferred online shopping. Besides the fact that I can do it in bed in my pajamas without moving a muscle, there are a few other reasons I prefer online shopping. Firstly, I think I'm way more of an impulsive buyer in store, because there have been so many times where I find something super cute but then I bring it home and I'm like, yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna wear that, and that tends to happen to me a lot in store. But when it comes to online shopping, I feel like I can just, you know, go through everything I like, add it to my cart or my wish list, and then just like sleep on it and really decide if I want it. So it gives you the luxury of time, which can do a lot. And I feel like when I shop online, it's way more like thought out, and I know where I'm gonna wear it and what I'm gonna wear it with. Since I'm a fashion student, I can tell you this. They have a lot of strategies that they apply to make you buy stuff you might not be looking for, which is another thing I really like about online shopping, is that if I'm looking for something particular, I can just like search it. I could just like type in leather pants and it would show me every type of leather pant the store has. So if it's like straight fit, skinny, boot cut, like I decide what I want, and not gonna lie, I like being in control. They definitely use some strategies as well, but I definitely feel like you're more in control when you online shop. Also, you guys would know this, I love finding like new, unique stores to shop from, and it's so much easier to do it online because you have the freedom of the internet. You can find any store. There's so many cool small businesses that are just online, and I feel like you can find so many more like cuter, unique pieces that are more personal to you. Also, as far as I know, most online shopping websites always have some sort of like sale or discount offer going on, and if not that, they probably have like a affiliate link with influencers or something. So definitely check out their socials and sign up for their emails and everything, because honestly I end up getting like a 15 or 25% off so many times, and it's a huge help, not gonna lie. I literally feel like a salesperson for online shopping, which doesn't even make sense, but I literally just tried to sell it to you for 2 minutes. Anyway, so I know a lot of people while shopping online unsure about the quality of the pieces and how they would fit and everything. I'm not gonna lie, some of those really fast fashion stores, and when I say really fast, I mean like stores that have like 100 new styles a day. I'm not naming names, but I'm sure you know the ones I'm talking about. Yeah, their pieces won't probably be the best quality. I feel like people shop there more for like one-time use, just for like trendier pieces, probably for like an Instagram pic or something. But if you're gonna spend your money on something and you want something of good quality, there are a few things that I've learned to like look at, just like check before I spend my money on something. So for the quality, I think the one main thing that I look for, other than price and the credibility of the website and everything, is the fabric of the piece. I think fabric tells a lot about how a garment is gonna fit and how it's gonna last and everything, so definitely check that. I feel like if you go in the description, oh my god, the lighting, whew, the one time the sun comes out. Anyway, I'm gonna continue, I hope it's not too bad. It's really easy to check the fabric. Most online stores usually have it in the description of like the piece, so when you click on the piece, there's usually a description down. For size, this is obviously different. If you shop from like a store you already trust and you know how it fits you, then you can just go ahead with the size you've always gotten. Like for example, if I'm shopping from Topshop, I know my size is small, so no matter what I buy, I know a small is gonna fit me perfectly because I've shopped from there like before in person, so like I know now. But if you're shopping from a newer website, a few things that I look at, I always check the size the model is wearing, because that kind of gives you an idea of how it would fit you. Also always check the size guide. I always compare like my measurements and just to be sure. And another thing that I like to do is I usually go on their Instagram Instagram usually like repost a lot of bloggers and everything, so I just look at how other people are styling it and how it fits them and like different body types. You really get a clearer idea of how it fits and feels. So to get into the most awaited part, I think this is the one thing I get the most questions about, that is customs and duties. It's safe to say it's not my favorite thing about online shopping. Anyway, I think there are a lot of misconceptions about it because I get a lot of questions about like particular stores and if they charge customs. So I feel like a lot of people don't know, but customs and duties are actually charged by your own government, so like the government of the country you live in. It's kind of different for every country, but for me the Indian government goes hard with customs and they send me an email about like the rules or whatever. They can actually charge up to 95% of the price of your order as customs, which they've done to me, and it's really annoying because it's basically like paying double for something you already paid for, which is like, no, why would I want to do that? So I'm definitely not like qualified or like know the details about this. I'm just gonna tell you what I know from my experience about customs, but take it all with a grain of salt. Might be true for me, might not be for you. So they actually depend on a bunch of things. I think the price, the size, the weight and all that. I would say the charge is way higher when I order shoes. I feel like clothes because they're just lighter, a little bit more like, you know, it's chill. But with shoes they really go all out. I actually was on the IMGO website recently and they had this little thing about customs, so I'm just gonna put it out here. Okay, so the duty rates depend on the value of the goods, what they're made of and where they are made. So basically what I said, yeah, all countries have different rules regarding this, and as far as I know the stores can't really tell you an estimate of the duties. They're usually charged when they are like imported into your country. Shipping company will probably reach out to you through email. That's what happens to me. Yeah, so you don't really know how much the customs are going to be when you're ordering, which is a real bummer because like you just gotta risk it. Don't quote me on this, this could be completely false, but in my experience the customs are definitely a little bit higher when I order from the UK compared to like the US or Australia. If the lighting changed, I had to close my curtains because the sun just felt like coming out today. So yeah, customs are really annoying. There's not much you can do to like save yourself from customs. At least not that I know of. I try to just like order it to someone. Like my dad travels a lot, so I'll usually just try to order it to him and then he can bring it back for me. Or if like my friends are traveling back or something, I just like try to get it through them. So I think I pretty much covered everything about the shopping experience, I guess. If you have any other questions or if you think I missed out on something that could probably help people, leave it down in the comments. So what stores do I actually shop from? This is something I really want to talk about because I feel like recently there's been a huge shift of where I shop from. I've been trying to shop from a lot more like small businesses, more local, a lot more like thrift and vintage stores. I really have been trying to stray from fast fashion. That is not to say that I'm never gonna shop from there again. I probably will, but I'm consciously trying to make an effort to buy from more like ethical places, and it's actually been a lot of fun trying to find these places. I've been thrifting a lot more and I'm having so much fun with it because I feel like I've been finding a lot more unique pieces that are true to me that are gonna last way longer, which I actually kind of prefer because I'm tired of having clothes I just won't wear anymore. And I know a lot of people are actually even looking for new stores to shop from. I'm gonna research a little bit more and I'm just gonna compile a list of like good stores to shop from and probably put it on my Instagram. So in case you're looking to get some good shopping in, I'm gonna do that. I'll include like local stores, thrift stores, cool designer stores, small businesses, and yeah, so if you know any cool stores that I should check out, let me know. Follow my Instagram if you haven't already so you can keep up. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. I haven't spoken this much in years. My mouth, like my throat is actually just like, I'm not used to this. But it was fun anyway, and if you made it through all of this, I really hope it helped. Yeah, if you have any other questions, DM me or comment it down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more of me, and I think that is it. This was a fun video. And there are a lot more coming, so get excited. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! We love interruptions. Love them. Also, can we just talk about the fact that the sun came out for like the first time in weeks? Wow. Good stuff, bro. Okay. Okay, I think I'm focused. This should be good. I can't speak. Ah! Okay. Online shopping, online shopping, online shopping, and that is online shopping. let's give it one last shot.